Hey guys, been talking about finding different things, on the fence line and whatnot, and I've gotten some comments about other people finding things like that. And hey, pretty cool. Thanks for your comments and stuff like that. It's pretty cool to be able to converse this way over here in Portland, Oregon, to those of you in Louisiana and Oklahoma and wherever else that you've been commenting from. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. But anyway, hey, check this out. Okay, we're talking about the other stuff on the front porch. I'm going to get a cabinet for soon for the guys. And this is one thing I found. We got to keep these concrete chunks, because we're always constantly pulling out concrete from the different sets and whatnot like that, And anyway, a while back, probably about, I don't know, 5, 6, 10 years ago, I don't know, I started the company. I had another worker. We pulled this one set out of the ground, and there was this rock right here. It's a beautiful rock, and it's pretty heavy too. And it was like embedded on the set or something like that. Anyway, I take these concrete sets to Portland Sand and Gravel for recycling and stuff, so they can kind of grind it up and put it back into the system, So, but before I did that, I told my worker, chip that out. I want it. I like it. And so that was my find. And I thought it was pretty cool. And I got it by my fireplace. It's pretty cool. I've always thought maybe one of these days I'm going to chip out a nice piece of gold, But I'm sure all this has been sluiced out before it even got to the marketplace, So, but anyway, hey, I just wanted to share this little rock with you guys. You guys have a great day. Keep smiling. And yeah, I hope all your dreams and aspirations come true with whatever you're working for, I mean, isn't that what we want? We want to make our dreams and aspirations come true, but that takes work. And so if my guy didn't work at chipping this rock out of the concrete, I would never have had it. Keep smiling. Have a great day.